Hello everyone, I'm Winnie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to talk about this really cool all-climate everyday jacket called Gamma. It's created by a group of Hong Kong innovators. It's a local business and they are now launching a Kickstarter campaign, so I really hope you can support them. So let me tell you something about this jacket. It's infused with graphene, which is the strongest and thinnest material ever. It's durable and it's lightweight. Another cool thing about this jacket is that it has built-in heating. All you need to do is to connect this to a power bank and heat will be transferred evenly around the jacket. This jacket is also good for not so cold days because the material is breathable and it's UV proof. It has 10 pockets. 6 zipper pockets on the outside, 4 on the inside. I like the clean design. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to know more about this jacket, please go ahead and click the link in the description box. And I really hope you can support this local business, these Hong Kong innovators, and they're very passionate about what they do. So please support them. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. In the meantime, take care and bye-bye.